To clone a GitHub repository, you need its link. And the way to get the link to the repository is you go to the repository. For example, Hello World is a repository, and I am here on this page. Then go to code and copy this link. Uh, Once you copy it, it depends where you want to clone this. If you want to clone it, let's say in Google Colab, then you write exclamation git clone and paste it and run the cell. So it will clone the repository in Google Colab. If you, let's say, want to clone it locally in your computer, then git clone. Okay, it's showing cloning into this, and once it is cloned, it will show the progress of the process. This is how you can clone it. The only difference in cloning it in local devices, you don't need an exclamation. Whereas if you are using, let's say, Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook, you put exclamation git clone and the link to the repository.